Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Agnes's outfit from the Dead Dance outfit on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. Obviously it's not going to be super duper accurate. So let's get started. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments, which is the hair. It looks very messy, but don't worry, we're going to cover this. It's just the only like bangs that suit her. So grab this hair. I wish they had the bangs only toggle, but color it A85C28 and EE85F, sorry, 4F. No adjustments made. And then this hair in A85C28. In default, position the Y to 0.40, Z 0.58, and rotate the X to 0.53. Grab this hair in the same colors, no bangs, position the Y to 0.46, Z 0.55. And then this hair in bangs only in the same colors, position the Y to 0.49. For the outfit, pretty simple. I don't think I used any VIP items. Go to the currency item and grab this choker, and I'm just going to color it this green, 084728. And then I use this in this color, 146150 in silk. Then again in silk. And then the rest just in the same color in silk. For the skirt, we're going to use this Lady Gaga one in that same color. You can change it to silk if you want to, but it just loses the texture and looks weird. So I opted without it and do the only skirt toggle. Lastly, we're going to go here, grab these shoes and color it black, and that's it. It is super simple, but it's an easy look for sure. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.